Welcome to this video overview of the Fluke 101 Digital Multimeter, covering its specifications, pricing, and diagnostic capabilities. The Fluke 101 is designed for basic electrical tests. It is commonly used by electricians and HVAC technicians. Its main focus is portability for quick diagnostics in the field. This compact device weighs only 300 grams and can be operated with one hand. Its rugged shell is built to withstand daily use and damage. The top screen displays up to 6,000 counts. The hold button freezes the current reading. The center dial selects the measurement mode, and the bottom ports handle 600 volts Cat3 safety limits. The device measures AC and DC voltage, calculates resistance in ohms, runs a dedicated diode test, and checks continuity with a built-in buzzer. Key specifications include an operating voltage range of 1 to 600 volts and 0.5% basic DC accuracy. The casing meets IP40 environmental protection standards, and the unit survives up to 40 degrees Celsius. The device operates on battery power and shuts down automatically during inactivity. The battery can be easily replaced by the user in the field. A key limitation is the current deficit. The multimeter lacks current measurement capabilities, meaning users cannot measure amperes with this device. Many professionals praise the device's accurate performance and quality. However, some users report unreliable calibration during field tests. The Fluke 101 measures voltage, tests resistance, tests diodes, and checks continuity. Its deficits include zero current measurement and mixed calibration reliability. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is 5,520 Indian rupees, but it is available on Amazon for 4,294 Indian rupees, representing a 22% saving. The device includes a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Business accounts can save up to 18% via GST invoices, and no-cost EMI financing options start at 151 Indian rupees. The Fluke 101 is a rapid deployment triage tool, prioritizing portability and safety. It is ideal for residential electricians and HVAC professionals needing quick voltage checks rather than master diagnostic accuracy. The final verdict is that the Fluke 101 excels at basic safety checks and voltage tests, making it a valuable tool for busy professionals.